let's have a quick tour at Shangri-La's Horizon Club Deluxe room. So this is the entrance. This is actually the door. And when you enter the room, they have like big mirrors here. And they have a beautiful chandelier. And that's me. That's me. And on the left side is you will enter the toilet. So this is the toilet. They have a tub and the shower area. This is the shower area and the sink. They have a beautiful sink here. Wait, no, I can't open this. Okay. They have 2 drawers on the sides and they have like a hair dryer. And this is the mirror. And this is where you this is the toilet, and they have like this. You can actually close this one for like privacy. It's so unique. And let's go to this is the closet, but I will not open this because it's empty. So this is the room. This is the bed. They have like a lot of cabinets here, drawers, and then this is the mini bar. The mini bar. And they have like Heineken. This is a free, I think it's a complimentary one. What's this? Okay. And you can see a lot of food here. And they have a fridge over here. When you open it, it's very full with food and wine and beer. So this is the bed, and they have a big TV over there, and they have fruits here and paintings over here. They have like an office style table, and this is the view. Welcome to the view. It's really beautiful here. You can see the Burj Khalifa. It's very near. So you can just, I think you can just walk there. So this is the view, the city view. It's actually near Conrad Hotel. So it's so beautiful. Look at that. So this is the Horizon Club Deluxe room of Shangri-La. It's so beautiful. Okay, bye.